Step into the world of automotive customization and improvement, a realm that promises adventure and innovation. Here, nuts and bolts aren't just tools, but keys to unlocking an entirely new world of creativity and self-expression. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets to mastering DIY car modifications and transformations. For the uninitiated, DIY car modification might seem like a daunting task, but it's much like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece has its place, each element its purpose. Whether it's switching out factory standard parts for performance-enhancing upgrades, or altering the aesthetics of your ride to suit your personal taste. These modifications are not just for the car enthusiasts or grease monkeys out there. They are for anyone who seeks to elevate their driving experience, for those who desire a more intimate understanding of their vehicle, a deeper connection between man and machine. Car modification is a world that is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging every day. It is a world where creativity meets engineering and where passion and skill combine to create automotive art. It's not just about making your car faster or flashier, it's about harnessing the power that's already there and molding it to your will. Car enthusiasts seeking DIY car modifications no longer need to feel intimidated by the seemingly complex world of car mechanics. There are numerous guides, tutorials, and online communities dedicated to helping you navigate this novel and fascinating landscape. These resources can empower you to take control of your vehicle and transform it into a reflection of your unique personality and style. In this series, we will delve into the various aspects of car modification, exploring different methods, techniques, and styles. We will learn about the different parts of a car and how they can be modified. We will understand the effects of these modifications and how they can enhance not just the look of the car, but also its performance. From the outside looking in, car modification might seem like a vanity project, but for those who truly understand, it is a form of personal expression, a demonstration of one's technical knowledge and skills, and a celebration of the sheer joy and freedom that comes with driving a car that is truly your own. From muscle cars to import tuners, from vintage classics to modern-day marvels, the world of car modification and customization is a diverse and exciting one, encompassing a myriad of styles, tastes, and preferences. So, come along on this journey of discovery, as we delve deep into the world of DIY car modifications and transformations, catering to car owners and enthusiasts seeking to elevate their driving experience. Let's explore the fascinating world of car modifications as we take you through step-by-step tutorials on how to create popular and innovative car enhancements. We know you love cars as much as we do, and we understand the thrill that comes from personalizing your own ride. Our journey begins by drawing inspiration from renowned channels that have made significant strides in the car modification industry. Among these channels is ChrisFix, a household name in the world of DIY car repairs and modifications. ChrisFix is celebrated for his easy-to-follow tutorials, which are thorough and filled with practical tips. From detailing cars to changing brake pads, ChrisFix's videos have empowered countless car enthusiasts to take control of their rides. Next, we look to the mighty Car Mods, an Australian YouTube duo famed for their car modifications and upbeat personalities. They are best known for their budget car builds, which they make seem so accessible and fun. They aim to inspire and educate, showing that anyone can get involved with modifying cars, regardless of their budget or mechanical knowledge. Their channel is a treasure trove of modded cars, DIY guides, car reviews, and road trip adventures. Last, but certainly not least, is B is for Build. This channel is a testament to the power of determination and creativity. B is for Build is about more than just car modifications. It's a narrative of overcoming challenges and pushing boundaries. The host purchases salvage cars and transforms them into something extraordinary, documenting every step of the process. Each episode is a lesson in problem-solving, perseverance, and the sheer joy of creation. By tapping into the collective knowledge of these three channels, we aim to provide you with comprehensive guides on car modifications. Our tutorials are designed to be practical and easily understood, even for beginners. We cover a broad range of topics, from simple aesthetic upgrades to more complex mechanical modifications. The world of car modification is vast and exciting. It's a realm of endless possibilities where a car is more than just a mode of transport. It's a canvas for creativity. Every car modification tells a story about the person who made it, their passion, their vision, and their drive. So buckle up and get ready to dive into this thrilling world. We promise to guide you through each step, ensuring you have the tools, knowledge, and confidence to make your car truly your own. With our help, you can transform your ride, one modification at a time. So, let's continue our journey showcasing step-by-step tutorials on popular and innovative car modifications, drawing inspiration from renowned channels such as ChrisFix, Mighty Car Mods, and B is for Build. Explore a diverse range of enhancement techniques, covering performance upgrades, aesthetic modifications, and functional improvements. In the realm of performance upgrades, you'll dive deep into the world of power and speed. Here, you will discover various possibilities such as engine tuning, exhaust system modification, and turbocharging, which will make the vehicle more powerful and faster. These upgrades revolve around making your car's engine work more efficiently, produce more horsepower, and deliver better fuel efficiency. In terms of aesthetic modifications, you're about to step into a world full of creativity and style. This segment will introduce you to a broad spectrum of design elements, ranging from body kits, custom paint jobs, interior upgrades, to wheel customization. While body kits and custom paint jobs add a touch of personal style and enhance the car's exterior appeal, interior upgrades such as custom upholstery and advanced dashboard systems increase the comfort and convenience levels inside the car. Wheel customization, on the other hand, provides a unique finish to the overall design and adds a sporty touch to the vehicle. As for functional improvements, they aim at making your driving experience smoother and safer. Under this section, we will focus on functionalities that enhance the overall performance and safety of your car. Here, you'll learn about suspension upgrades that improve handling, brake upgrades for superior stopping power, and tire modifications for better road grip. Additionally, we cover advanced electronic systems such as navigation systems, parking assistance, and advanced safety features like airbags and ABS. These improvements not only make your car safer to drive, but also make it more convenient and comfortable. Through these topics, our aim is to provide viewers with a comprehensive understanding of DIY car customization. It's an opportunity to learn and explore the world of car enhancements. Embrace the thrill of personalization and start the journey of creating a car that truly represents you. With a perfect blend of performance, aesthetics, and functionality, you can transform any car into a masterpiece of your own. This is your chance to get hands-on with the world of DIY car projects, learning about the ins and outs, the nuts and bolts, and all the tips and tricks you'll need to modify your own vehicle. Indeed, we are here to provide viewers with a comprehensive understanding of DIY car customization. Highlight real-life examples and success stories, featuring before and after footage of cars undergoing remarkable DIY transformations. Let's dive deeper into the specifics of these mind-blowing transformations. We will show you a wide range of vehicles, from rusty vintage automobiles revived with a fresh coat of paint and shiny new parts, to modern supercars getting a sleek, custom touch that makes them stand out on the streets. Each project we feature is a unique testament to the power of imagination, creativity, and the tenacity of car enthusiasts. These DIY transformations are not simply about changing the aesthetics of a vehicle, they represent the fulfillment of personal visions fueled by passion and an unwavering dedication to craftsmanship. Consider an example, a 1970s muscle car, battered by time and weather. Its once vibrant paint faded, interior torn, engine stuttering. We show you how, with a bit of elbow grease and perseverance, this old-timer is turned into a powerful, gleaming beast of the highway. We walk you through the complete process, from dismantling the car to rebuilding the engine to applying the final coat of paint. This is a transformation not just of metal and rubber but also of spirit and purpose. Then we transition to a modern sports car, sleek and formidable but common. We reveal how a passionate owner turns it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece with personalized touches. From a custom-wrap job involving intricate designs and vibrant colors to swapping out factory parts for performance-enhancing components, this transformation redefines the meaning of uniqueness. Each story is a testament to the beauty of DIY culture. It's about the blood, sweat, and tears involved in every meticulous detail, every carefully selected part, and every well-crafted modification. It's about the countless hours spent in the garage, often late into the night, battling frustration and fatigue, driven by a singular goal of creating something exceptional. These tales are not just about car transformations, they serve to inspire viewers on a broader scale. They underline the narrative that with the right tools, determination, and skills, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary things. The transformations embody a simple yet profound truth: if one can dream it, one can create it. we endeavor to inspire and empower viewers to embark on their own customization endeavors. We urge you, our viewers, to share your own do-it-yourself car projects, your tales of vehicle customization, and your personal automotive breakthroughs down in the comments section. We believe that your experiences are an essential part of our community. Each story you tell us, each modification you've made, each obstacle you've overcome, they serve to inspire other enthusiasts who are eager to learn from your trials and successes. Just imagine the impact you can have. Perhaps there's a novice tinkerer out there who could benefit from your knowledge of engine modifications. Maybe your story of perseverance while restoring a classic car can inspire someone else to begin their own restoration project. Your unique techniques for detailing your car could revolutionize the way someone else approaches the task. Every vehicle is different, and each holds its own unique challenges and lessons. Maybe you've come up with a novel way to approach a persistent problem that could save someone else hours of frustration. Or perhaps your uniquely designed custom paint job could spark a wave of creativity in someone else. Your insights could be a game changer for someone struggling with the same issue. Your stories are not just words, they are guides, they are inspirations, they are sparks that ignite the passion in other automotive enthusiasts. They demonstrate that problems can be solved, that beauty can be created from the simplest of tools, and that patience and dedication can lead to incredible transformations. Your words reach far beyond the confines of this platform. They echo in garages and workshops across the globe. Remember, no story is too small, no breakthrough is too insignificant. From the smallest adjustment in your car to the biggest engine overhaul, each tells a unique tale of determination, creativity, and innovation. And each one of these stories contributes to the grand tapestry of our shared automotive passion. We learn together, we grow together, we share moments of triumph and trials. These shared experiences bind us as a community of car enthusiasts. This kinship is what makes our platform special, what makes us more than just viewers and content creators. So, don't hold back. Share your stories, share your triumphs and your challenges. Become a part of the conversation, a part of our community. Let's make this platform more than just a space for videos. Let's make it a hub of shared knowledge, experiences, and passion. We ask you to foster a sense of community and shared passion for automotive enhancement by sharing your experiences in the comments section. Prompt them to subscribe for an exclusive insider's look at the latest DIY car improvement tips, tricks, and trends. Encourage them to join our ever-growing community of automotive enthusiasts. Each one of them, each one of you, is a vital part of our journey. The journey wherein we explore, discover, and push the boundaries of what it means to customize a car to make it truly your own. We believe that everyone, regardless of their background or experience, can learn and benefit from our expansive knowledge base. We believe that through our tips and tricks, we can inspire you to see your car not just as a mode of transportation, but as a canvas for personal expression. Our experts tirelessly research and experiment with new techniques and technologies in the field of car customization. The results of their efforts are then translated into easy-to-understand, actionable steps for you to follow. We promise to never cease in our pursuit of knowledge, always aiming to bring you the freshest, most innovative ideas in car improvement. Moreover, we take pride in creating an interactive platform where questions are encouraged and shared experiences are valued. A community where your voice matters. Yes, you are not just another subscriber to us. You are part of a family who shares a common passion and a drive to create. We understand the satisfaction that comes from rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, and watching your vision come to life. We appreciate the artistry in every stroke of a paintbrush, the precision in every bolt tightened, the creativity in every new design implemented. This is your chance to be part of something bigger, a chance to learn from the best in the industry, a chance to share your own experiences and maybe, just maybe, inspire someone else along the way. We offer not just a subscription, but an invitation to a world where creativity meets practicality, where innovation spurs inspiration, and where every car owner can be an artist. We are more than happy to have you on board, to include you in our mission of transforming the way people view car customization. So, take a step forward, join us, and let's create something amazing together. This is a world that moves fast, an industry constantly evolving. Therefore, it is vital that you stay informed, stay in touch, stay connected, and that's exactly what our subscription offers. It's not just about getting the latest tips, it is about being part of an informed community that is always ahead of the curve. In conclusion, we are inviting you to be a part of our family, a family that is continuously growing, learning, and creating. By subscribing, you will have an exclusive insider's look at the latest DIY car improvement tips, tricks, and trends, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve in the world of automotive customization.